Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Excel and the specific workbook you need visible. Once done, right-click the Windows taskbar and choose Settings so you can change behaviors immediately. Make sure Auto Hide is turned off and that taskbar visibility is set for your active display. This ensures the bar will appear even when apps are maximized. You should pin Excel for quick access and keep the workbook restored or maximized, rather than in a custom full screen mode that hides system UI. Next, focus on the middle steps. Adjust taskbar behavior and Excel view modes. If you use multiple monitors, enable Show Taskbar on all displays so Excel's window will have a visible bar. Otherwise, pick the primary display. Exit Excel full screen mode via View or press ESC so the taskbar reappears consistently. Also check Focus Assist and Notification settings because these can suppress taskbar indicators. Once adjusted, toggle Excel window states and confirm the task. To finish, apply and verify changes. Restart Windows Explorer and Task Manager so the taskbar settings take effect immediately. Make sure Office and Windows are updated. You'll often fix display glitches that way. If Excel still hides the taskbar, sign out and back in or create a new Windows user to rule out profile corruption. A key troubleshooting tip: if the taskbar still disappears, reset taskbar settings and restart Explorer again before reinstalling Office. This resolves most persistent visibility problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.